guys, welcome to another video. Today's painting walkthrough features yet another barn owl, and no, I am not sick of these babies yet, nor will I ever be, so hopefully you guys aren't either. This piece is building upon the main line of my current series, The Calm Within Chaos. The series kind of has its main pieces, so like Latte and With the Weight of a Feather, and my personal favorite, Fragments of Our Souls, all of which would feature barn owls, alongside others like Cacophony of the Mind and The Watchful Heart, which feature a blue jay and a great horned owl respectively. There are other smaller pieces that, while they do belong to the Calm Within Chaos style, they're more of supportive pieces rather than belonging to the core series. The main pieces of the series have more of an emotional backstory and history, whereas most of the supporting pieces are painted just because. One of the key features of the Calm Within Chaos series that I've started is the flow of the paint, often with the subjects bleeding into their backgrounds, or backgrounds bleeding into the subjects, whichever way you would like to view it. Each piece of the main series has a different emotional feel to me, and the bleeding paint feels sort of different for each piece as well. There's sort of a journey as they're being created. With the nature of the fluid paint being what it is, it's difficult to plan things out perfectly, which, frankly, I'm fully enjoying, as it forces me to actually let go of the reins a little bit and let the paint speak for itself. As always, for this series that I've been working on, the background is created with acrylics, sort of manipulated in a fluid sort of manner, and then I build on top of that with oil paint. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little moon-faced baby come to life, and hopefully you enjoyed listening to my ramblings a little bit about this series. As always, if you have any questions regarding my art or my process, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. Thanks, guys!